Mathematics is simply the study of patterns. And if that's the definition that we go with, then we simply have to get our kids to see that truly mathematics is looking at patterns, and it's a very creative art form, that it does make sense. And when we teach mathematics, we've got to make sure that the sense-making component comes over clearly. That's not just a set of rules like to divide a half divided by a quarter, I capsize one, or negative times negative is positive without giving them a reason why our answer is valid. So our responsibility is to make sure that our kids really enjoy mathematics, see it as a creative art form, that it's messy, that they have to struggle, because without struggling in mathematics, they really are not doing mathematics. So it's doing mathematics and struggling with mathematics. So that's what we really try to do and try to accomplish when we're teaching mathematics. Almost there. You know what I did, kid? Why don't you use the big triangle and then get three pieces to go with it? So maybe you can put it here like this. And around the back. So you get four pieces now to make a triangle. Because remember you made a triangle with three pieces, right? If you make a triangle with three pieces, good. Go back. Almost there. Almost there. Back. Good. Up.
That's a square.
Up. Up.
Is a
Up.
rectangle is a
Yeah,
square?
I know, but I'm
You did it.
No, she's trying to do a triangle.
Now to make a big triangle.
This.
So you can make it with four. There. Good. So there it is.
Oh.
A triangle with four pieces. There it is.
So what do you think about math night?
It was truly amazing. When I studied math at school and the university, it was in a more traditional way. You just have to memorize the rules that the teacher laid out for you and follow them. I had no idea that math can be so much fun. It can be so creative, and
What do
I
you think
loved
about
it.
math night?
It was very good, and it helped us learn a creative way to learn maths and to solve math problems. And I'm sure in the long way it will help us reduce the math anxiety with the kids. So I'm looking forward to using this manipulatives, what I learned today, to help my child grow in maths.
hate third grade because you get to learn new activities and you get to learn more about math, but it's a little bit hard, but at the end they go.
How do you know that 3 bears have 12 legs?
So each bear has 4 legs, and 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 plus another 4 equals 12.
Oh, and how do you know that 6 ducks also have 12 legs?
Because I counted with my fingers by 2, and I got up to 6 duck legs. When I got to 6, I was at the number 12.
Okay, how do you know that 2 dogs and 2 ducks is 12 legs?
Because dogs have more legs, and another dog also has more legs, and the duck has 2 legs, and the other duck has 2 legs.
And then what do you do with those numbers?
My number is 12. It was hard and difficult, but me and Sarah still got the answer right.
What strategies did you use?
First we did 8 in the brown basket and 7 in the red because it said the brown basket has 1 more egg than the red basket. We tried that combination, but it didn't work because 8 plus 7 equals 15.
And that was too much?
Yeah, it was higher than our answer we were supposed to get.
So what do you do after that?
We tried lots of other combinations, but our last combination we got it right because it was 3 in the brown basket, 2 in the red basket, and 5 in the pink basket. That was the actual answer.
And how do you know that's the right answer?
Because the sheet also said the red basket had 3 fewer than the pink basket, and fewer means 3 less. So we put 2, and then for the brown basket we just put 3, and then the only ways that we could do 3 fewer to make it 5. So we put 5 in the pink basket.
So you read the question again and then you made sure that all the numbers made sense with the question. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about math night?
Math night rocks. So I'm so happy we're together. Math night just finished up, and it was parents, caregivers, and teachers side by side in partnership, learning new ways of thinking, word problems, and just getting messy with the thinking of mathematics. What did you think?
It was great. Learned things that we hadn't really thought of or saw math in different ways.
Yeah,
Always a different way to look at it.
that's right. So Maple Creek going strong.